everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can share broadcast channel on Instagram story. To do that, open the Instagram application. Now that you are logged into the Instagram application, what you need to do, tap on the message icon on the top right, tap that. In the message icon, you go to the channel and tap upon the broadcast channel that you want to share on your story. Tap that, tap on their profile on top. And once you're at this screen, you will have the option of invite link. You tap that. This will give you these options: copy, send in Instagram, share to story. You tap on share to story option, which will bring you to this screen where you will be able to share that channel to the Instagram story. You can just resize the icon over here. You can either make it bigger or you can smaller. You can also place it wherever you want on the story. So I'm just gonna go and place it in the middle of the screen and then tap on a circle grid for the picture. With this, a picture has been captured and now you can share it to your story. Tap on your story. Now if you go back and check your story on your Instagram, there's a story being uploaded, and when someone tap on that icon, they will be directed to this Instagram broadcast channel directly. So this is a way how you can share a Instagram broadcast channel on Insta. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.